1. Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. The Galapagos Islands stand as the undisputed crown jewel of scuba diving destinations worldwide, consistently ranking at the top of expert lists, including Bluewater Dive Travel's 2025 rankings. Located approximately 560 miles off Ecuador's western coast, this isolated volcanic archipelago offers an underwater experience that is truly unparalleled in its biodiversity and unique marine encounters. Exceptional marine life. What sets the Galapagos apart is its extraordinary concentration of large pelagic species and endemic marine life. The islands sit at the confluence of several major ocean currents, creating a nutrient-rich environment that attracts an abundance of marine life. Divers regularly encounter massive schools of scalloped hammerhead sharks, particularly around the northern islands of Wolf and Darwin. These hammerhead aggregations are among the largest in the world, sometimes numbering in the hundreds, creating a swirling silvery spectacle against the blue backdrop of the open ocean. Beyond the iconic hammerheads, the Galapagos offers reliable encounters with Galapagos sharks, silky sharks, whale sharks, particularly during June to November, and graceful manta rays. One of the most unique aspects of diving here is the opportunity to observe marine iguanas, the world's only seagoing lizards, as they forage for algae underwater, a behavior not seen anywhere else on Earth. Premier dive sites. The Galapagos features several world-class dive sites, each with distinct characteristics. Wolf and Darwin Islands represent the pinnacle of Galapagos diving. These remote outposts in the archipelago's far north are famous for their extraordinary pelagic action. Darwin's Arch, though the above-water arch collapsed in 2021, the underwater formations remain intact, is particularly renowned for hammerhead schools, whale sharks, and large tuna. The underwater terrain features dramatic walls, plateaus, and cleaning stations that attract marine megafauna. Punta Vicente Roca on Isabela Island is considered by many to be the finest cold-water dive site globally. Here, divers can encounter the mysterious ocean sunfish, mola mola, visiting cleaning stations, alongside unique creatures like the red-lipped batfish, various frogfish species, and seahorses. The site's underwater topography includes caves and dramatic wall formations. Gordon's Rock, nicknamed the washing machine, due to its sometimes challenging currents, offers another hammerhead hotspot, with the added excitement of hunting behavior from Galapagos sharks and occasional orca sightings. Diving conditions. The Galapagos presents challenging diving conditions suitable primarily for advanced divers. Water temperatures vary seasonally, ranging from cooler 60-75 degrees, 16-24 degrees, during the whale shark season, June-November, to warmer 70-86 degrees, 21-30 degrees, during manta ray season, December-May. Divers should be prepared with 5 to 7 mm wetsuits, as thermoclines can create sudden temperature drops. Currents can be strong and unpredictable, with down currents and surge being common. Visibility typically ranges from 30 to 80 feet, 10-25 meters, though it can change rapidly with current shifts. Negative descents are often necessary, and divers should be comfortable with blue water diving techniques. Conservation status. The Galapagos Marine Reserve, established in 1998 and covering approximately 51,000 square miles, 133,000 square kilometers, provides critical protection for this unique ecosystem. In 2021, the reserve was expanded by an additional 23,000 square miles. The area is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, with strict regulations governing diving activities to minimize human impact. Despite these protections, the Galapagos faces threats from illegal fishing, climate change, and increasing tourism pressure. Various conservation organizations work alongside the Ecuadorian government to monitor and protect the marine environment. Practical information. Most diving in the Galapagos is conducted via live-aboard vessels, as the premier sites are distant from populated islands. Standard itineraries run 7 to 8 days, though extended 10 to 11-day trips are available for those wanting additional time at Wolf and Darwin Islands. The best liveaboards include the Galapagos Master, Galapagos Aggressor, and Humboldt Explorer. Access requires flying to Ecuador, Quito, or Guayaquil, followed by a flight to either San Cristobal, SCY, or Baltra, GPS Islands. Most liveaboards include at least one land excursion with a licensed naturalist guide, offering opportunities to see the island's famous terrestrial wildlife, including giant tortoises, land iguanas, and blue-footed boobies. The Galapagos Islands represent the ultimate bucket list destination for serious divers, offering encounters with marine life assemblages that cannot be experienced anywhere else on the planet.